this room, now we arrive at Shenzhen Dituo Electronic Company. Let's go and see it. Shenzhen Dituo Electronics Company was founded in 2011. It is a national high-tech enterprise integrating the original design, independent research and development, manufacturing, production, and sales. The factory of Dituo Electronics is located in Shenzhen, China, covering an area of 12,000 square meters, adjacent to Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport.
We have a professional sales team with over 20 sales staff. For more than 10 years, Dituo Electronics has been focusing on the manufacturing of high-frequency ultrasonic automation modules, aromatherapy machines, humidifiers, essential oil diffuser, air purifiers, dehumidifiers, and other fields.
2015, Dituo Electronics launched its wood-free Aroma Diffuser series, which became the #1 export sales leader at that year. With designs such as the Fast Good Green Aroma Diffuser and the Onion Wood Green Aroma Diffuser, Dituo became the top supplier to North America's Amazon Top 100 with an 80% market share. That same year, our independently developed and designed base aroma diffuser won the Red Dot Design Award and the Beast Design Award for Chinese Manufacturing Beauty. We have established partnership with over 500 high-quality corporations in the fragrance industry, such as these brands.
The company's maximum monthly production capacity can reach 300,000 units. We have 8 production lines with over 120 experienced employees. Our products 100% undergo aging testing, job testing, OCCT, and simulated transportation testing before leaving the factory, and pass rate of finished products reaches 100%. 3 laser machines to help customers add their logo easily at lower cost.
The company has a sound corporate qualifications and has passed ISO 9001, BSCI, GMP, and COC quality management system certifications, with export certificates including CE, CB, FCC, ROLS, FCC ID certifications, and Power UL, ETL, GS, PSE,
We have 53 utility model patents, 67 apparatus patents, and 12 invention patents. The company has sufficient personnel and strong technical force, with a professional R&D team of 10 engineers, including 5 structural engineers, 3 electronic engineers, and 2 ID designers. 2 to 3 new products are launched every quarter. In addition to OEM production, Dituo Electronics provide customers with ODM new products development services as well. We own a 2,000 square meter warehouse for raw materials and finished products. We cherish the trust of every customer. Our business philosophy is quality first, customer foremost. Thriving with quality, winning with excellence. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.